Vietnam, a country in Southeast Asia and the easternmost country on the Indo-Chinese peninsula. Vietnam is one of the most dynamic emerging countries in East Asia region. Vietnam development over the past 30 years has been remarkable. The International Monetary Fund has revised upward its forecast for Vietnam 2020 GDP growth by 0.8% point to 2.4%. Walking around in Hanoi, Vietnam's capital, you can feel the boundless energy everywhere. People buy and scooters, buy and sell everything from phone to food in a countless small shops and run to fro for the school or work. Vietnam is young, growing and anything feel possible. By the mid-1980s, per capita GDP was stuck between $200 and $300. But then something changed. Number 2. Growing internet penetration. Smartphone coupled with lower data cost and higher bandwidth speed are accelerating the growth of digital banking service in Vietnam. Among the notable digital marketing services making the mark in Asian and Vietnam is the usage of digital wallet in the line of increasing smartphone penetration rate. This could be a stepping stone to providing a broader range of digital marketing services, as well as the increased financial inclusion among the underbanked segment. In Vietnam, just under 16% of the mobile internet users are using e-wallet in 2015, which grew up at a CAGR of 16% over 2013 to 2015. The country mobile internet users are expected to expand further from 29 million in 2017 to 40 million by 2021. Thereby, increasing the market reach of digital wallet in the country is increasing rapidly. Number 3. Asian is the third largest consumer good market globally in terms of consumer expenditure. Shares of GDP at 26.3%. After the Middle East and Africa region and Eastern Europe, the leading consumer good market in the region are the Philippines 42.1% and Vietnam 37.5%.
Number 4. Expanding labor force. The International Labour Organization estimates that ASEAN will record the second largest growth in labor force worldwide between now and 2030. Another 59 million people are projected to enter Asian workforce between 2015 and 2030. This would represent the third largest labor force worldwide, behind only China and India, accounting for a total of 10% of the global workforce. By 2030, labor force in Asia in millions are increasing.
When it comes to yoga, yoga has become immensely popular in Vietnam and is growing rapidly, especially among women. After the first ever International Yoga Day was observed in the communist country to celebrate the ancient Indian spiritual art form, the Yoga Day is celebrated all over the world June 21st last year, and after that, the yoga centers are competing with aerobic fitness center and are preferred. The future of gym and the yoga industries is increasing in Vietnam. The future anticipated revenue share of an organized gym center reaches up to 18.5% by the year ending 2023. Penetration rate of fitness service in Vietnam is expected to increase in future and will reach up to 7.7% by the year end. Companies investing in Vietnam. Attracting foreign direct investment (FDI) has always been a key part of Vietnam external economic affairs. As of last month, there were more than 16,300 active FDI projects in Vietnam that have collectively pulled in a total of $238 billion. These investors came from 100 countries and territories, and many of them are some of the world-leading multinational corporations. When it comes to investing, Vietnam is gradually increasing in Asian countries. So when it comes to beauty or the increasing economy for the past recent years of Vietnam, we definitely gonna see this country increasing gradually. So that's all from our end. If you like my channel, do share, subscribe and give your feedbacks and comments. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.